Welcome to Pantechelearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So this is for first order. First order is a little bit simple only. Okay, so now we can see how the discrete wavelet transform has been changed well compared to the previous versions which we have still seen till inverted discrete wavelet transform. Now after this we have to move on towards the second level. So onto the second level also, here we will be using the same thing, only the variables will be changed upon there. So like it comes under the part of iteration. I'm mentioning it here as first level. Second level. Adding towards it the same way. A1, B1, C1, D1, double A1. But along this particular part, here there will be a small change. Like in previous first level, what is the initial value? That value should be added upon here. Only that change must be there. So initially it was A. So here also we are making it as A. Now to display both, hereby I am adding the figure. Sorry. How much ever magnifying, this will be that particular part. So now we can see that major difference. This part belongs to the first order, this part belongs to the second order. So now even though it has been compressed, some feature or some outcome projections are there, so that is most needed. Then only it will be easy for the other kind of applications when we move on for the next level formats like feature extraction and all. So this is third level. Same thing, instead of 1 I am adding it as 2, 2, 2 and 2. A1 was the previous, so here also it must be A1. Again we can add it. So now we can just compare and see everything till one more order will be there. So how much ever if I maximize, this will be that particular size, because on each and every level it is getting compressed. So this was the actual, then compressed to this level, then compressed to this level, but the patterns are more visible on each and every compressing. That means the identification is easy, the quality is maintained over there. Now let us apply for the last and final fourth level. So that 3, 3, 3, 3. Here it's A2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Now it became fourth order. So now therefore we can apply it as the respective figure. Yeah, now let us execute it. So this will be that maximum range of decomposition level. Now the same thing, I will add it in a montage. In montage I will add AA1, 2, AA3. Thumbnail size with empty value. Now we can easily compare all the four models. So this will be that different orders. Okay, fine. Now like this we can try with some different images. So some changes we can see in that compression. This image is not suitable for that. 0.jpg. Since all the images are compressed, some changes will be there. Now this comes under the 4 levels of discrete wavelet transform, and this is the actual method for applying it in multiple levels. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.